So as many of you may already know, there is going to be a snowstorm tomorrow on the 13th of February in the northeast United States. And I was not able to post a video on this previously because I didn't really have the time. But honestly, even posting a video before wouldn't have really helped much with the forecast of the snowstorm because it has changed so much. I think this is one of, if not the most difficult northeast snowstorm to forecast in recent history. And this storm has it's like whipsaw back and forth. It's like on Saturday it seemed like it was gonna move out of my area. It was gonna be an interior northeast snowstorm. Sunday it trended back to a southern mode, and today it trended even further back. And today morning it was looking like it was gonna be strong, and right now it's looking like it's not gonna be as strong. So I mean, like, it's changing down to the last minute. It seems like there is some stability right now as per the guidance. So hopefully whatever the guidance showing right now, it does hold. But changes are still possible. So basically the reason that this whipsaw so much back and forth is that the main like southern piece of energy that's fueling the storm, it was over the plains on Saturday and Sunday, and that was the main thing that the models predicted incorrectly, and that's pretty much been the problem the entire time. The models have struggled a lot with that piece of energy. Even up to right now, there's still not perfect representation of that piece of energy. And basically they thought it was going to be a whole lot stronger, so it would interact a lot more with the upper jet, so it would be further north. But it is not as strong at all. It's more positively tilted. The low pressure itself is strong right now, but the heights are not as low, so that means that we'll have more of a southern mode. And right now we're thinking that the storm will not be as amplified as it could possibly be. So as per what we're thinking right now, at least in northern Jersey, it'll start out as rain pretty much everywhere, and then it'll transition to snow. I think in northern Jersey that the transition should occur anywhere between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. And down in central Jersey, that'll happen a little bit later. Same thing with areas in Long Island and NYC, will happen a little bit later. But basically the snow is going to be really, really heavy. It's going to be really high snowfall rates because we're going to have really good lift with this system. Again, not as good as it could be because the storm has de-amplified, but still some really good snowfall rates. So definitely there should be delayed openings for schools tomorrow, and the road conditions won't really be that good. And if we get a strong enough band, I think there will be some thunderstorm possible in the strongest band if we get one to set up, because the lifting is just going to be really, really good. We're getting a solid amount of snow instead of a short amount of time. So now just getting down to the final like amounts, I would say pretty much northern through southern Jersey, ignoring the like far southern and far northern. I would say we just like solid 3 to 6 inches, with the best favored towards the high terrain of central and north Jersey. Well, not really central Jersey, more like north Jersey, the high terrain. That's probably where the best totals will end up. And I think we may get an area of 6-inch plus if we get a strong band to set up. Same thing towards eastern and central PA, 3 to 6 inches plus where we get a strong band. And same thing with New York, Long Island, south northeast coast, same thing, 3 to 6 inches wherever we can get a strong band to set up. This still could change because I mean, like, this storm has been ridiculously difficult to forecast. None of the models have captured this perfectly at all, so still could change. But right now I'm pretty confident with saying 3 to 6 widespread across the I-95 corridor pretty much, and eastern PA, central PA, down into Long Island, coastal south northeast. And if we do get a strong band to set up, we can get that 6-inch plus totals in some areas. So I will be posting some updates tomorrow.